9 divided by 3 over 4 times 4. 4 into here 1, 4 into here 1. We are left with 9 divided by 3. 9 divided by 3 is 3. 3 is the wrong answer to this expression because we are supposed to solve our division first before multiplication because they have equal priorities. So we work from our left to our right. Let's solve the right answer to this expression. We are going to solve 9 divided by 3 over 4 first. We are going to apply the rule of KCF here. K stands for keep, so we keep 9. Then C stands for change. We change our division to multiplication. Then F stands for flip. We flip it to 4 over 3. Then multiply by 4. 3 into here will give us 3. 3 into here will give us 1. So we have 3 times 4 will give us 12. So we have 12 times 4. 12 times 4 is 48. 48 is the right answer to this expression. I hope you find this video helpful. Please don't forget to like, subscribe and comment. Thanks for watching.